So we're going to use a new data set for the example with target having more than 2 possible values, and it's there in the blackboard. I've already downloaded it. It is ordinal logic SAS data set. Okay, it's in blackboard. All right, so what we need to do is to first create the data source for it. Ordinal logic. Okay, so now we have apply GPA. Now paired and public. Okay, so these are PA or ED is parent education level. Okay, it's 0 or 1. Okay, 0 if the parent has gone to college, 1 is 0 if not gone to college, 1 is college. And public is the university is public or not. So these two are binary variables. So let's change these two to binary. Okay. Now apply is ordinal, but we're not going to use apply. We're going to transform apply into new variables. Okay. And GPA is interval. So we'll leave it like that. Okay.
Do we not have to put a target?
Yeah, target is not going to be applied. We're going to create new variables. All right. So it's written by SAS is the name of the data file. I don't know why, but that's the data file, data source. Okay. So we're going to use transform variables. Connect that. Okay. And then code, SAS code. And this is the code that we want. So I'm going to copy paste this code. And we'll talk about the target 3, which we need for nominal. If the target is nominal, then we would need that. But right now, let's look at ordinal case, where apply 0 is less than apply 1, and apply 1 is less than apply 2. So 3 possible values, and they are ordered values. So we have target 1 and target 2. So those are the 2 targets that we will be using in the case of nominal. Okay. So click OK. Let's run that. Okay, let's look at the results. And then we have target 1 and target 2 and target 3. All 3 variables have been created. So let's exit out. So now do a regression. Okay. So here let's go ahead and edit variables. So now we need to make sure that apply doesn't get included. We don't want to use apply. We want to use target 1. Okay, you want that as target, and because the name of the variable starts with target, SAS has automatically changed the role to target. So which is good. We don't have to worry about that. So we're not going to use target 2 and 3 now. So this is going to be a regression with target 1 as the target, and these 3 GPA, paired and public as the predictor variables. Okay, click OK. Now this is going to be a logistic regression, and we're going to use all 3 variables. Just run. Okay. So look at results. So now we need the estimates. So here are the estimates. Okay. So ordinal target with 0 less than 1 less than 2. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste it here and then move it, and let's put it fixed width, so that's good. So these are the coefficients, so I'm going to copy paste these coefficients here. Okay. Alright, so that's for model 1. So we have two models. So model 1 is with target 1, which is equal to 1 if apply is equal to 1 and it is 0 otherwise. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Okay, now go back to SAS minor and let's run one more regression. Okay. Now this time, okay, once again make sure that the apply is not included. So now we're going to run with target 2, which is 0 or 1. Okay. So click OK and run that. Okay. Now let's get the coefficients. So now these are the values. So this is model 2, and here we are going to use target 2 is equal to 1 if apply is less than or equal to 1. Okay, that is 0 or 1. Okay, and then 0 otherwise. Okay. Now when a new case comes in, suppose that this is the new case, and we want to find the propensity for each of the three classes of the real target, which is apply. Apply is the real target. Now, target 1 and target 2 are derived targets from there. So our L is some product of the coefficients, okay, with the predicted profile. Predicted profile is going to remain the same, so I'm going to absolute reference the predicted profile. Okay. And then do exp to the power of minus L, and then 1 over 1 plus e to the power of minus L will give you the probability. So now copy that over. So that will be for y less than or equal to 1. Okay. That's that probability. So probability of y equal to 0 is that. probability of y equal to 1 is that minus that. Okay. Probability of y equal to 2 is 1 minus.